reorder events feature allows you to specify and reorder multiple process events that share the same date and timestamps as each other. As an example, you can see that all 4 events here share the same date and timestamp. However, based on our process knowledge, we know that recognition should come before training and support. By navigating to the Order of Events module, we can see the tool has detected the order in which they mostly occur. However, now you have the ability to drag the events in each group in order to specify the correct order. In this case, I will move recognition just after scanning. The order of events can also be used to identify the sequencing of workflow queues that are modeled in the workflow module itself. However, when you are done with your configuration, click Apply. The tool will apply the new sequence to each of the timelines. We can validate by removing the actual filter, looking at our path module, and reviewing the new sequence of events.